YouTube.
Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
What's good, y'all? I'm back with another vlog. I already told y'all we gonna be consistent. I'm at the mall. It's my first time at the mall here. That's the mall I'm at. But I'm gonna be gone by the time I post this. Why every time I'm on this channel, he somehow is in this? Like, make it make sense. It don't make no sense at all. You got.
Why you talking traffic? I heard.
And then he's littering. I hope you know I got that on camera. Anyways, back to me. How y'all doing, y'all? I'm gonna let y'all know. I don't know why we're here. We're kind of just here. I ain't finna spend money. I might spend my man's money though, so we gonna see. Oh, okay. I was really trying to put this on here. Thank you. All right, never mind. Cause he don't want to open doors for me. Security guard was like, "Who's seen?" I could wait to have kids because we still young, but I can't wait to do all those cute little things like that. But like I was saying, I ain't never been in this mall before, so we're gonna check it out, see what they got. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up at a shoe store either now or later. That store's kind of cool. Look at that Euro collection, the suits. Why are y'all upside down? There we go. Anyways, Snipes is dope. Do you like Snipes? Why are you in my vlog, bro? Oh, look. That's how my closet's gonna be. A wall full of Air Forces. I like those red ones, those blue ones, those ones. You like high top dunks, huh? What y'all call them? You don't know? Okay. Cause it's a word. It's an actual word for them. High key, yeah, facts. High key, y'all.
Well, I'm gonna say 40,000.
I'm gonna. No, that's 1,800. That one right there.
Yeah,
Y'all see the ice? Yeah, that's for real.
Should I do it?
No, Julius.
900.
Should I do it?
The initials is 900. Oh, I should get a J, huh?
Should I do it?
I should get a J, huh?
Should I do it?
Don't do it.
No, Ju, you don't need it right now.
Oh, I'm gonna do it.
You could get it when you buy a charger. Then yeah, go ahead and buy you a chain. How about that? Anyways, this one low key cool.
Wait.
Oh, it's a little train going by. Those used to be cute. I used to ride them. I don't know why this is doing that. It's not wanting to calibrate right. Back to OG holding the phone because my little tripod thing died.
OB ho.
Yeah. I guess Drew's featured in this channel. I don't know why.
I need a belt.
You have a belt.
I have a belt, but I ain't wearing
Those shorts are cute.
Reebok.
That looks like your style. Yeah, look, they got True Religion. Oh, I know my man. That said lids. Did you just think that said kids?
I thought it said 50.
He just thought that said kids.
Oh, let's go right here. I think you would like something.
This one? This is Earthbound, ma. Oh, Edge. Oh. I mean, that would have been cool. I would have found something in there. Who, me?
They got some cool different like.
All right, she said, we finna check this store. It's called Edge. I ain't never been here before, so we're gonna check it out. I don't know if I'm gonna get copyrighted, so I'm gonna show y'all if I get something out of here. I would get copyrighted for the music in here, but I just came in here and I just tried these pants on. I'm like, they really nice. These are the large. Yeah, gotta check. I might end up getting these. I'll let y'all know if I get these. They just told me I can't record in here, which I know that's been going around everywhere, but just to let y'all know I did miss something. And we still recording. I was trying to get it on camera, but I didn't have my camera on fast enough. So we're going to go to this other store and check it out. If they come back and talk to me, then I'm going to try to record it Y'all, we getting motion. That's tight. We gotta hurry up and do it because they're gonna copyright it. They're gonna copyright it. Hurry up.
Come on.
All right. What's up, BT
Dubs? BT Dubs, we back at it. And we outside with an adventure in Dallas, Texas.
Yeah, it's our first time. It's my first time here, but it looks like they playing music and we're not trying to get copyrighted, so we're gonna try.
Be quick with it.
Yeah. He already found the first game that he wanna do. He finna get beat in this. You ready for that? Are we going? All right. I'm starting. You gotta put these on. You finna do this. See, I'm gonna have the VR on, so I'm gonna see if I can set it up so y'all can see. It's gonna be kind of hard. No.
I might put me in some picture boat. They look great, this nigga's like getting low. I spent time on the roots on the Lambo and didn't even know how to read them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, God, the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that trip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last, no whacking up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after hit, call me very fun. But it's Christmas, I bought everybody guns. Guns and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm broke, see it drop by 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga don't run for my collars, we second up, swallow and swallow. I'm trying to get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch it still. This top shelf,
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me do some magic again. Feel like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You did it, baby, and I'll be there.
Y'all had fail. I don't know how much y'all had caught, but yeah, he's still racing, going through with it. Where it at? Y'all see that? Let's see how much it is. But
We can race together?
I guess not. But I got first on mine. I don't know how to do it to multiplayer, or how to do it for us to be multiplayer. Oh my gosh, that was tight though. Oh, I want to win a teddy bear. Okay, we gotta run that back. That was the realest I've ever felt. Like, you liked it that? Oh, he liked that. And that's like a VR racing. This is low-key dope. So far, so good. Y'all know we gonna give y'all the real tea. Why that one look small? It's like the kid version or something? Alright, you gonna make me a teddy bear? That's probably why they was taxed on the points. He gonna make me a teddy bear. Alright, let's see. Let's see how we do. You got it, babe. Alright. You got it. Be focused, Simba. Real focused. Me to run it? Alright, my turn. You gotta find the loose ones first. None of them look loose yet.
That one.
That one? Well, that's the legs in there.
We're gonna see if we can get that white one.
Dang, I only have 683 left. Yeah,
They
they
taxing for 100. Oh man.
I'm gonna go first. the next. It just wasn't. Yeah, it wasn't meant for us to win it. I guess. They got some cool little games. They seem a lot more realistic. Hey, look, you can win a PS5. No BS, look. I feel like all the games are like that. That's why they tax it. We gotta pay attention to the time too, so we don't miss our time slot. We'll be back. I'll be back. We're gonna do this slam and jam. Slam and jam. That's crazy. It's that I don't know how it works. We're gonna see how it works. We need to take pictures. We gotta take pictures before we leave. So we missed it because we gotta go and do this race. So that's what we're gonna go do. I'm finna whoop his loose head. Drop Team Andrew in the comments, you already know. Why is always my point of view? You hold the camera sometimes.
She always want me to do the hard work.
Because all you do is show up.
That's all I need to do. Huh? Oh, shit.
Y'all see what happens when he holds the camera?
Bro.
This is the point of view when he holds it.
Because it's my point of view.
Okay. I'm gonna keep that in.
What you want me to do?
Talk to him.
What's the word, y'all? I don't know why she be trying to get on my tail about it, but
The microphone.
I'm talking right here.
Alright, it's not gonna hear you.
Okay.
That's what happens when you
I'm so tired of her. I'm so tired of her. She always got to run her mouth about everything. You know,
I'm gonna just start showing up like
$500 on the glasses. No Cartier. $7,000 on the chain. No bust down.
we have to do all 3 races right now.
Yeah, we got to race 3 times.
Like we can do one now, one later, and one after that or something like that.
You got to do all 3 races. Alright, we gonna be back.
So we gotta wait our turn. Drew, are you smart? Where's 9 plus 8?
17.
Oh my god, good job. What is 9 times 8?
48.
Oh my gosh! My man's smart, y'all. Thank God.
What's 10 times 10?
52.
Damn. What's the capital of Alabama?
Minnesota. Let's go! Team Andrew in the comments. Team Andrew. I don't know.
I'm no neck J. She.
You ain't qualified, my boy.
What you mean?
You ain't even give him a fit rundown
I
today.
did. Okay. I did. I like that. Fit. Okay. 700 on the glasses, no Cartier. 7,000 on the chain, no bust. 5,000 on the watch, all rolls. Hellstar. No. Hey, no pressure. 750 on the jeans. 150 on the shoes. You know, basic fit for the day. Original, smizzle. Original.
And, you know, I told y'all I was going to give y'all a fit reveal because I had did a Aco vlog. If you want to go watch that, go check it out. Yes, I'm doing promo on my own channel. Because, yeah, I'll give y'all a rundown after we do this race, though, because we in line. Y'all can see the line, but Yeah. I'm gonna win.
On your mark. Get set. Get up. Gang, since potty train, you know what it is, baby. Hey, hold on. Yeah.
Whatever.
Shit. I can't breathe in this motherfucker. Alright, YouTube.
That was gross.
It was a successful night. I whipped her ass in a lot of games,
No, you did not.
especially go-kart.
Okay. Like go-karting was not it for the night. I said that was an L for sure.
Waste of money.
Hype. Other than that, I was doing that. Nothing from him.
You my everything. What you doing? Hot scotch? Baby, I love you. You my everything.
I'm your main chick. Fuck a wedding ring.
Hey.
We both got fast cars. And we switching. You know what? Get out. Get the fuck. Get your. Nigga, we go together. Then we go together. Tell them hoes we go together. Look at his dumb ass. Tell them hoes we go together.
Same one on second verse.